sector, postgraduate in veterinary science, veterinary pathology. My wife is a lecturer. I say I am still lecturer. My son is Aditya. So I got this plan through my friend, my senior. His name is Dr. Satya. So he gave this wonderful plan. Thing is that he's very senior to me, and he's very, what is called, he's a very top personality in the college. So what I thought was initially when I see the plan was, he left the job and he was doing this plan. He's in the business. He's in a high job in Indian government, in Kerala government. So he left the job. So that time I was decided to something. So I also want to quit the job. I was searching for something new thing. So that time this opportunity, I am able to see this opportunity. One thing I saw is my friend is left the government job. So he told that I think it is whether it is possible for me or not, because he is a top personality, he can do this business, but how I can go to this business? I understand this concept, I like this concept, I want to do this, but I feel I cannot. So like this, I spent the time for 2.5 years. I signed up for 2005 February, but he told me that one thing he told, he said, here is a teaching system is guiding you, and you can spend this your time in this business. That motivated me. So let me learn what is in this business. So I attended a lot of meetings, and so a lot of people say something in this business. Somebody says something. They need job freedom. Somebody says they need royalty. Some people say they're too well to. Some people say they want something new. So this business, I thought I can go wherever I like, but I want to in this business and in this teaching system, so let me travel. I made my wife, he was so negative, because I am so much complex type, I won't speak to anything, and I was so side type. So he told that I cannot do this business. So he told that you stop this business for 2.5 years, not to do. So he is a good writer, so I know he has some dream. What I told him was, I took him to the meeting, I placed in the meeting for her, then she was so excited, and now he is doing so exciting than me. So next thing was 2010, 2008, I was on the big meetings, I take a decision, I have to quit the job, and within 2 years, what I did was, I was returned my dream that within 2 years, I want to leave my job. So I tell my dream, and what it means, I tell my higher officer that I am going to resign my job this date, so kindly allow me to leave me from the job. So I pasted all my house, all my dream to leave the job. So before 2 months, I left the job. So he completed platinum qualification, and he built business very fastly. He completed our Founders Platinum qualification. We are qualified for ALSP. And that time we came the opportunity, within last time we are leaving from Australia. Within 3 hours, 3 to 4 hours, we are leaving to India. That time only, it's God's plan. We are great opportunity to associate with Mr. Kandan and Priya. So they came with couples, and they were so excited. They are showing the Australia plan. So immediately we came, my upline, so then we joined in the business. So we came to Melbourne Army Business Center, and that time itself we went to her. Then he decided to do business in Australia. Then I got the guidance from my upline here. He told everything, and regularly I am keep in touch with him, and I build my list, and we are going ahead. We are going ahead. So it's God's plan. I'm just a man of what I cannot say. So I can able to build the business in India. I'm coming to Australia. See this how the great business, how the It's unimaginable business. You have to decide where you to go. That is the thing. It's our dream. It's only with our dream. So everything is there. So I can. If I am in Tirunelveli, a small town. If I am doing business there, means can I achieve big dream? So we thought that we have to go ahead to learn about the international business. We have to be in process, so that this God's plan. We are here. Everything is coming. So step by step, we are moving forward. We are moving forward. So, I'm thank God to have this wonderful opportunity. So I am in a small village as a veterinary doctor. See this wonderful opportunity. Next time we are going for Canada, Toronto trip. We are qualified.
Wow.
See this amazing opportunity. It's for everyone. Thing is that it's related to your dream. It's your dream. I came to this business only seeing my friend. He is in the business, he will uplift me. So just dream. Just listen this opportunity. Just listen those. So today I was so excited on seeing all. Today I was so excited on seeing the plan. Today I was so excited on this training system. So amazing, wonderful, handsome business. So dream it. You can every day can do this business. Wish you all the best. Inayo, like
So that's Dr. Mohan. He's going to be here for a month. It's going to be awesome to have him in here with us. And guys, like you were saying, international business. We're part of the international